hell no. I'm swimming on putting weight down, but they got on my run like Zaza song. My push down to the my mama, I run like me, like what no, can't remember. You know, that Glock 9. No, then dude, this neighbor dude. So I got that dude. Got a Glock ES tattoo. In high school, and shot pow pow.